High Impact was started 15 years ago by teachers, for teachers, with experience of how schools function, how schools operate, and the challenges and the barriers that they face every single day. So High Impact is the complete solution for technology in schools. From small schools right the way through to multi-academy trusts, High Impact looks after everything that a school could need when it comes to technology.
I would recommend High Impact at the schools because they come in, they do a full audit of what you need, they speak to you, they communicate with you in terms of what your financial position is, and then they tailor things to meet the needs that you have in your school, but also understanding the position of the school at that time.
I'll definitely recommend High Impact to other schools. Simply, I can pick up the phone, speak to anybody in the team, whether it be a question on leadership, finance, tech support, software, hardware or curriculum. They're always on hand. The technicians who come out are very helpful. Staff don't feel like they're waiting for a long time to get any issues sorted. Everything seems to be very efficient.
So from a technical support perspective, that support's really, really important, and we can have technicians visit school and be on site on a weekly or fortnightly basis. That's everything from auditing what's in place already and making sure that any future investments or strategy are going in the right direction with the school's vision. So we look at the procurement, we look at the infrastructure, we work with those important third parties when it comes to things like your internet or your MIS systems or your backup and your antivirus, making sure that we're adhering to all the DFE standards.
High Impact have been fab. They've had an amazing impact on our school. We've been with them now since about 2012. Different people involved, but you've always got that high quality technical support. Everyone's very friendly, you can always ask them any questions. Even when we've taken on different technologies, different hardware, different software, they've always been at the end of it.
So there's a lot of CPD in everything that we do. And things that are coming up on the horizon like artificial intelligence, things like that that are becoming available to teachers, perhaps to reduce workload or perhaps to personalise learning and improve what's happening in the classroom. Those things all form part of the offer with that CPD.
So I think in today's climate, tech is obviously foundation of everything that we're doing at the moment, and looking how fast change is happening in the world. Our children are just incredible at it. It's second nature to them. I think the challenge we have then as a staff is keeping up with those changes, but in equal measures it's scary. So that's when then a company like High Impact come in. With the CPD around staff meetings, they just put your mind at ease to say we can keep up with this change, and not only keep up with it, but actually start to thrive in it as well.
I didn't have any idea about the opportunities for supporting teaching and learning in particular. Those opportunities for reducing teacher workload to allow them to focus on what's really important, which is time with the children, I think is really exciting, and I can't wait to get it back to school.
What's really exciting is that there's so much technology now that teachers are trying to integrate into their classes, into their practice, that we actually have a team of educators as well. Really experienced practitioners, classroom practitioners who have been there, who've worked with children, used those technologies to really enrich and enhance teaching and learning. And then there's the workshops that we do for the children, which are a real wow, and the children love them. They all have the CPD within them as well, so the teachers are involved in the session, the teaching assistants are involved, and we bring the technology and the expertise and offer that best practice model so teachers can see how we as consultants would weave those technologies into the subjects that they're delivering in the curriculum at the right time.
We realised just how amazing this was going to be for the children to support their understanding not only of ICT but of the wider curriculum.
We use technology quite a lot in the classroom for Coach Studio, research and making videos.
It makes the learning experience on iPads and stuff much better and much more fun to do.
And I really like it because it's like a really fun time getting to do some technology.
It helped me find creativity that I'd never found before.
And when you test, there's a nice quiz where you have to remember things. It's really nice.
So those consultants work alongside the technicians in the schools to make sure that teachers really see the potential for the technology that's available to them. That might be online technology, it might be resources or platforms that the school's invested in, but the consultants and the technicians bring that expertise together to make sure that the teaching and learning is really, really powerful and benefiting from all of those lovely technologies.
So the services we receive from High Impact are exceptional, from the admin team to the teaching and learning to enhancing the experience of the children on a daily basis. If we didn't have High Impact, the school would possibly stop functioning.
So High Impact brings everything to the education sector that a school could need.